Is it good?
Mm-hmm.
What is amazing, it's just a few ingredients. No baking soda, no baking powder, no egg. It's just salt, flour, butter, and water.
It's delicious.
It's good, right? Clean ingredients. Okay, my house is...
It's like a hot dog.
Yeah, it's like a clean hot dog. Is it soft? It's crunchy and soft.
It's got a crunchy outside with a soft inside.
It's awesome. Good girl. Good girl. Let's go. Let's go walking, Mika. Let's go, Nicholas. Hey,
Bush, she's got to do this.
Mika, let's go. What tree is this, Gang? It's so beautiful. Look at this. Flowers growing on the branches. It's amazing, right? I've never seen flowers growing on the branches.
We're trying to do our 8,000 steps a day.
And today is a trash day, as you can see. Hi, Mika. Oh, hi. Our umbrella broke. We need to fix it. It was so windy. Do you like it? You say very much. It's nice weather, right, Gang? Perfect weather.
Its name. If you don't have one of these, I highly recommend them because this way you don't have to put lighter fluid in your charcoal anymore.
Ready to barbecue?
Yes.
Yes.
If you want, you can make a wish and throw a penny in the fountain.
Okay. Hi, Nicholas. It smells delicious. It's so hot, it's fogging up the leaves.
quiet up here.
Yeah, it's nice. It's beautiful.
Please push your handles forward and enjoy the ride.
If it goes too fast, I can always just go like this and slow down.
Yeah.
See?
Yeah, I don't want too fast.
Good.
Is it comfortable for you?
Yeah, it's fine.
Oh.
Putting on the brakes here.
That's good.
Good, thank you.
Thank you. Yeah.
Right there. Y'all are good to let up on the bars. Once you get to the very top, push down again.
Okay, thank
great.
you.
Do you know where is a good restaurant here, around here?
Oh gosh, it is my second day working here.
Ah, it's okay.
Ask the person who's
Okay.
working the offloading.
Okay.
They're gonna have way better recommendations.
Okay,
than I will.
thank you.
Yes, ma'am. Y'all have fun on your way in.
You too. Oh, that was fast. That was fast. Yeah.
Beef chips with egg and potato.
You don't understand until you cut. It looks like regular burger. It doesn't look any.
It's a chicken sandwich with bacon.
Okay.